Hello, happy and smart developers. Welcome to the Coding Boat. This is series of internet and this is part 2. So let's begin the session. Data transmission through internet is the topic. There are three mediums to transfer information from one location to another in the form of binary digits: through electric wires, through fiber optic cables, and through radio waves. Let's see each medium one by one. Electric wires as data transmission medium. Through electric wires, human can physically send one bit of information from one place to another. We can turn light on for 1 and off for 0. This method is very slow, error prone, totally dependent on humans, so mistakes can also happen. To overcome this, what we need is machine. But still, there are chances of signal loss while transferring data from one location to another location. Electric wire is not the appropriate method to transfer information from one location to another location. The major problem is signal loss can happen. Now, we know speed of light through wire is much faster than electricity through wire. Let me repeat once again because this is very important point. We know speed of light through wire is much faster than electricity through wire. Fiber optic cable as data transmission medium. Let's see. To send information really long distance, light is a best medium. We can send bit as light beams. We can send bits as light beams from one place to another using fiber optic cable. What is fiber optic cable? That we need to understand first. Fiber optic cable is a thread of glass engineered to reflect light. Fiber optic cable is a thread of glass engineered to reflect light. When we send light through cable, light bounces up and down through the length of the cable until it received on the other end. Let me help you with pictorial representation. Suppose this is one fiber optic cable and here this is light beam will flow like this, and based on bending angle we can send another light beam as now. Depending on bounce angle we can actually send multiple bits simultaneously. We already have seen how light beam will travel through fiber optic cable. Depending on bounce angle we can actually send multiple bits simultaneously. All of them are traveling at the speed of light. From above all points we can conclude that fiber is really fast. Most important is there is no signal loss. How fiber optic cable looks like? Let me help you with pictorial representation. This is one picture of fiber optic cable. We can see that how light beams are traveling through this fiber optic cable. Now, we use fiber optic cable to connect one continent to another. But what if cable cut problem occur? It will simply interrupt the internet connection. Another drawback is fiber optic cables are really very expensive. How we can send bits without wires? We have seen there are some drawbacks using fiber optic cable to transfer data from one location to another. What are those? Cable cut problem is there. Another thing is fiber optic cables are really very expensive. So we need another medium. What is that? That is how we can send bit without wires. This part is very important and that we will learn in next session. That's it in this session. Let's meet in another session. Thank you.